Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. In the previous video, we seen how we draw the snake into the game window. In this video, we are going to see how we are going to move the snake in all directions. So how we are going to make means here in this events.get block. So we are going to create another block like if event.type equals to pygame dot key down. So what is this key down? Event means whenever you are going to press a key in this keyboard, then that event comes under this key down events. So if event dot key, so like whatever you are going to press, what key you are going to press in this keyboard, like pygame dot key up. So key up, whenever you are going to press the arrow, upper arrow, then this type of operation should perform. Like I am going to create the dummy variable x1 here and y1. So x1 should equals to 0 and y1 is equals to -10. So in this pygame library, so this y coordinates are in reverse, so that's why we should take -10 here so that it will move in the upper side. So after having this one, we have to make like x plus equals to x1 and y plus equals to y1. So that's it guys, let's see how it is going to run. See, if you are going to press the upper key, it is going upper side. So let's see how we are going to get this all direction keys. Let's copy this one. Let's copy this one and let's paste it over here. 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 times, right? That's why, wait a moment. So here we have to paste it second time and third, 4 times. So we have 4 directions like upside, downside, right side and left side. So we have to create 4 if blocks here. Elif down here. If you are going to get the snake downside, you have to remove this minus here. Elif, if you are going to get, if you want to get the snake right side, so keep this right here and make 10 here and make y coordinate as 0. Here make elif block to the left key. So again make here -10 in the x coordinate and 0 in the y coordinate. So that's it, like you have to make this in the for block. That's it. Let's see the output here. See, it is moving upside, downside, left side and right side. So that's all about this. That's all about this step 3 guys. If you have any doubts regarding this step 3, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you.